Hey everyone, so I'm back up working on my Cricut. So I made this t-shirt for myself because this is what I'm going through in life right now. So let me take you through the steps of how I made this t-shirt. So I went to Cricut Design Space and I found this quote by Vivian. I forgot the last name, but anyway, and I thought it was cute and appropriate for what I'm going through right now. So as you can see right here, I have printed it out on black because I'm printing it out on a white t-shirt and I wanted to really show. So this is how it came out, and then I placed it, I did the transfer and I placed it. I used my heat press, and now you just seeing me, it done cooled down a little bit and you just seeing me peel it back. So I didn't decide to show you me pressing it. I just want to show you the part where I'm peeling it off. Okay? Because the weeding part, it takes a while to do because the letters are so small, except for the big letter, of course. Big letters. But anyway, so I'm just taking my time because I want to make sure that I don't take off any of the eyes, the commas, or anything like that, any small pieces. So I'm just taking my time. Alright, so I loaded my Cricut again because I wanted to put my name and where you can find me at the bottom of the shirt. So here you see that I'm pulling back, the vinyl so that I can see what my little message says. And then I'm going to use the weeding tool to take out the little tiny pieces. So this part right here can get a little tedious. So you have to be very careful when you're doing this if you want it to look the way you want it. All right, so here I go. All done, but then I can see that I missed one or two, so I'm gonna go back in and make those corrections. I don't know if you can see this part, but I am using my heat press to just flatten down the bottom part of the shirt so that I can put the lettering on. So here we go. So I'm placing my little logo at the bottom of the shirt, and it doesn't matter what side I put it on, but I believe I put it on the right side. And as you can see, it's backwards here because I'm filming. But now, yeah, finally I moved the camera. But anyway, so now I'm just going to use my Cricut press and I'm going to iron it and just move it around like I usually do. I like to move it around because it makes the heat, to me, even. It makes it even. So that's what you see me doing right here. I would like to give a shout out to Mr. White for giving me this heat press as a gift. He does not know what he started when he gave me this. It made me do research, find out what it was, how to work it, and then the rest is history. And then I would like to give another shout out to my daughter-in-law for giving me the Cricut Explorer Air 2. And yeah, she did something great too when she did that because the rest is history. All right. So here you see me pulling it back, and making sure all the lettering is right. So I had to go back in and go over it again because one of the letters was just acting crazy. So, but this is the finished product, and yeah, I really think it turned out well. So if you like content like this, please give this a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. All right. Thank you and have a blessed day. And by the way, these are on sale. Well, this particular shirt and other items are on sale in my Macari and my Clapper stores. All right. Bye.